What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your internet speed with AVG Antivirus. So once you have this on your phone, just go ahead and open up the application and you will see it shows four options here from the home page, right? So you have hack alerts, you have clean junk, you have check internet speeds and automatic scan. Click on internet speed and just go ahead and wait, and it's going to go ahead and check your internet speed for you. As you can see, it's currently doing a check right there. It's doing the download, and you will see shortly after that is this done, it's going to do the upload as well. So you'll be able to quickly know your internet speed that you have at your current connection or current location right now. And that's how easy it is, guys. So I'm going to just quickly wait for mine to complete and you will see as well. So that's it. If you want to check your current internet speed, this is actually what you have to do, guys, to check your internet speed using the AVG antivirus. Just keep in mind that this application, as it's a free version I'm currently using, it has ads. And so if you want to not get ads, guys, you want to go ahead and actually you have to go ahead and get the paid version. As you can see, so here it's popping up a few ads on my phone right here, and that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys. So that's how you go ahead and check your internet speed using the AVG antivirus. The application has ads, so if you're using the free version like myself, then you'll see ads, but if you want to not have ads, you can get the paid version as well.